In this video, we listed the 6 best tools bag for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: NameWELN 32 Pockets Waxed Canvas Tool Bag. The NameWELN 32 Pockets Waxed Canvas Tool Bag is a rugged and versatile option for electricians, plaque technicians, and anyone in need of a heavy-duty tool organizer. This 16-inch tool bag is constructed from durable waxed canvas, making it resistant to water and wear, ensuring long-lasting use in demanding environments. It features 32 pockets, offering ample space for organizing a wide range of tools, from screwdrivers to larger equipment. Designed with professionals in mind, this tool bag is an excellent fit for electricians, providing dedicated compartments for essential tools, while its sturdy build ensures reliability on job sites. The tool bag is also ideal for vac workers, who need an organized and easy-to-carry solution for their specialized tools. The NameWELN 32 Pockets Tool Bag stands out for its functionality and durability, making it a practical choice for men who prefer heavy-duty tool bags. The compact yet spacious design, along with its waxed canvas material, ensures that tools remain protected and well organized, regardless of the working conditions. Product 2. Product name: Marutai 24-foot Large Tool Tote Bag. The Marutai 24-foot Large Tool Tote Bag is a heavy-duty, open-top tool organizer designed to meet the needs of professionals such as mechanics, electricians, and handymen. It offers a spacious 24-inch size with 29 pockets, providing ample storage for a wide range of tools and accessories. Constructed with durable, waterproof materials, this tote bag is built to withstand tough working conditions, keeping your tools protected in various environments. Its open-top design allows easy access to tools, making it ideal for fast-paced work environments where convenience and efficiency are essential. The heavy-duty construction ensures long-term use, while the multiple pockets help with organization, keeping tools neatly sorted and easy to find. This makes it a great option for those needing a reliable and rugged solution for tool storage and transport. In comparison to other products mentioned earlier, like the Frozen Sonic Saber Cutter for precise work on 3D prints or the Works WX066 Sidekick Folding Work Table for on-the-go project setups, the Marutai Tool Tote Bag fits into the category of durable, portable, and practical work accessories that enhance productivity in hands-on tasks. Product 3. Product name: Halterfors Workgear HT5597 Open-Top Tool Carrier. The Halterfors Workgear HT5597 Open-Top Tool Carrier is a professional-grade tool bag designed to meet the needs of tradespeople who require durability, organization, and easy access to their tools. This tool carrier features 35 pockets, making it highly versatile for storing a wide range of tools and accessories. Crafted from heavy-duty ballistic polyester, it is built for long-lasting use in tough job site environments. The tool bag includes a durable base with pad feet, which helps to protect it from wear and tear when placed on rough surfaces. A standout feature is its collapsible bar-injected mold handle, offering both comfort and stability during transport, while allowing the bag to be folded down for compact storage. Additional functionality is provided by a tape strap and a measuring tape clip, keeping frequently used items within easy reach. This tool carrier aligns well with user interests in durable and efficient work tools, as seen in their focus on products like the Works WX066 Sidekick Folding Work Table and the Jorgensen No. 102 3.5-inch Mini Wood Planer. For anyone looking to stay organized and ready on the job, the Halterfors HT5597 provides a practical solution with its thoughtful design and robust build. Product 4. Product name: Heavy Duty Tool Bag 15-inch. The Heavy Duty Tool Bag 15-inch is a robust, 16-pocket portable toolbox organizer designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Crafted for durability and functionality, this tactical carry tote offers ample storage with various compartments to organize tools efficiently. It features a large zipper for easy access to contents, and the adjustable shoulder strap enhances portability, making it suitable for mechanics, engineers, and other tradespeople who require a reliable tool bag. With its rugged design, this bag serves as an excellent Father's Day gift for dads or men who work in demanding environments, ensuring their tools are always organized and readily accessible. Its heavy-duty construction ensures long-lasting use, while the portability aspect makes it a versatile choice for on-the-go tasks. Product 5. Product name WELN 77 Pockets Tool Backpack. The WELN 77 Pockets Tool Backpack is a highly functional and versatile tool backpack designed to meet the needs of professionals such as electricians, technicians, and construction workers. With its 77 pockets, it provides ample storage and organization for various tools, making it ideal for those who need to carry and access multiple tools efficiently on the job. This large electrician backpack is specifically tailored for men working in demanding environments. It features a rugged design that can withstand the wear and tear of construction sites or outdoor environments. The backpack's compartments are designed to accommodate a wide range of tools, including wrenches, screwdrivers, power tools, and other accessories, making it a comprehensive solution for tool transportation. Key features of the WELN 77 Pockets Tool Backpack include its heavy-duty construction, padded back, and adjustable straps for comfort during long workdays. Its specialized design as an tool bag backpack and electrician's backpack ensures that professionals in these fields have everything they need at hand, making their tasks more efficient and organized. Product 6. Product name Tool Bag Rollup. The Tool Bag Rollup by UUP is a heavy-duty tool organizer designed for both men and women, making it a versatile option for various professionals like electricians and mechanics. This portable tool storage solution comes with two detachable zipper pouches, offering customizable compartments for organizing tools based on size or purpose. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, ideal for those who are always on the go. Crafted with durability in mind, this roll-up tool bag ensures that your tools remain protected and accessible. The bag's green color gives it a distinct appearance, while the heavy-duty material promises long-lasting performance, even in tough work environments. The detachable pouches provide additional flexibility, as they can be removed and used independently, making it easier to carry smaller items without the entire roll-up.